everyone, I'm Ann from Ann Makes. Welcome into my studio. Thank you so much for stopping by. Sorry about the little technical glitch there at the very beginning. That was actually a snowball sticking her nose in front of the camera. Actually, scratching her nose on the camera, more specifically. So Snowball is here with me right now. And I just want to share a Dollarama haul with you. But first, I would like to remind you to subscribe if you are not already subscribed. For those of you who are already subscribed, thank you so very much. I so appreciate all my subbies. And you can subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below or on the Ann Makes in the corner of the screen. And if you click on the bell, YouTube will notify you whenever I post new content. Trying to do this with a straight face. Okay, so I went to Dollarama. I did film a haul yesterday, but I had more stuff to share with you. And what I have to share with you is this. I found this and I like it a lot. It's a pumpkin decorating kit. It has 5 pieces. And it's made of that MDF wood type of product, and it's got little spikes, and it's heavy. It's pretty heavy duty, and this is intended to stick into a pumpkin, to decorate a pumpkin. And I saw this cat one, and I was like, oh yes, I have got to get this. Look, it's a black cat with green eyes. It's like mine, and on her tail, on the cat's tail, I'm gonna say it's a she because I have a she, there's a spider, and here on the paw there's a bat. I think that's so cute. So now I have to go buy a pumpkin to stick these things into it to decorate a pumpkin. So, and I could use this year after year, of course. I love this. This was only $3. I think that's a pretty good deal. For an easy way to decorate a pumpkin, and in a really, really cute way too. So I wanted to show that with you. Share that with you. Show that to you. Share that with you. Oh my goodness. Next thing that is a new crafty item at Dollarama. They have these, they call these bead embroidery kits. So basically it's the same as what is referred to as diamond art painting. They're those little half flat back beads that you stick onto a sticky type of canvas, and you have a little tool to do that with a little dish to put them in. So I picked up one. There were different designs, but I just picked up this one just to see what it's like. And actually, oh yeah, look at that. It's actually a little canvas with, it's not cardboard like the other ones I picked up. Yeah, and it's got sticky on it. So this is great to do for someone who's new to the diamond painting thing. They're not sure they want to do it. This is a good way for you to test out that type of product. Also, this is great. It's a small project to do this, and it's a full one. It looks like it's a full one. Yeah, it's a full design, so the whole thing is covered with beads. And let's see, it does come with the little tool like all the kits do. Whatever kit you buy, they all come with a tool like this for applying the little diamonds or beads. This one's called a Bead Embroidery Kit. And the wax, the little plate to hold all the little beads, and all the little beads are in here. So, and this whole kit was $2.50. And so if you'd like to know how much this measures, I can tell you in centimeters because I have my centimeter ruler here. It's about 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. So that's like 8 by 8 or 6, yeah, around that. Yeah, we'll say that. So that's available at Dollarama for $2.50. I picked the one with the toucan, and there was a unicorn one that I saw, and I saw roses. the flowers, roses, and I can't remember what else there was, but I remember the unicorn and the roses. So I got the toucan. I really liked all the colors in it. Another new crafty item available at Dollarama. And you know, the Dollaramas get stuff at different times across the country. So these are things that you might have seen other people haul, but they're new to me. So sorry about that. This is from a Lion brand. There's been a lot of this yarn showing up, although not just this yarn, but different yarns by Lion brand showing up at Dollarama. Lion brand is a really good yarn company. They make beautiful, beautiful yarns. This is not cheap stuff. So they have this yarn. I'm not familiar with this. It's called Imagine. And it's really neat. It's like it comes in a tube. I'm going to show it to you, and it stretches out. And I'm going to go check out the video. And it says, go check out for a how-to video, scan the QR code. And yeah. So for a how-to video, anyone can make a scarf in 5 easy steps. And they show someone's arm here, and it's a netting goes over the arm, and they show this pretty scarf. So I just bought one ball of yarn. I don't even know if I would have enough to make like this scarf here. There were a lot of this color at my store. That's mostly all they had at my store. This blue. This is Blueberry Hill. Oh, I like the name. Blueberry Hill. 3513 is the lot. And it is 40% acrylic, 30% wool, and 30% nylon. So it's got some nice heating properties with the wool, but it's very, very soft. Yeah, it looks very nice. And I thought, well, if turns out that I didn't buy enough to make anything with it, and I don't go back, or I forget to go back, or I go back and there's none left, I'll just use this in some other crafting DIY thing. This reminds me of the netting, like fish netting and stuff. So possibilities. $4 for this skein of super soft meshy yarn. Next, I picked up this planner for 2020, a monthly planner, because look who's on the cover. It's a cute little tabby, and I have owned tabbies before, and this one looks a lot like a tabby. The first tabby I had, whose name was Cookie, and his belly had little spots like that on it, and it was such a cute little cat. And yeah, so I've actually had 3 tabbies. I've had Cookie, Gizmo, and Gadget. So yes, I thought I would only always have tabbies from that point on, and then my Snowball came into my life. And she's a great cat. So this is a 2020 appointment book, monthly planner, $1.50. I have a few other 2020 planners from the Dollar Tree. This one, I picked it up. I have a specific goal in mind to use this planner for planning certain things that I will be doing. And yeah, that's where I got it. It allows me to write more information in it than the ones I get from Dollar Tree. There is a section to write things with important dates. There's several pages for notes. There's a map of Canada with the different time zones. And each month has lines on each day, so it allows me to write a little bit more. And there's a section at the back to include contact numbers or whatever information I want to put in there. As I said already, a few pages for the notes. So I thought for $1.50 this was a really nice type of book to help me, plan ahead for some certain things. So that is what I got. I picked up some more of the hook and loop fasteners. This time I picked it up in the hardware aisle. It is the Duramax brand. This was $1.25, and you get on here, does it say how many you get? They're self-adhesive, blah blah blah. They're a 3/4 of an inch, and yeah, that's all it says. It doesn't say how many you get, but you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So you actually get 12 sets of these hook and loop fasteners or Velcro dots. And if you've seen the video I shared about how I store my die cuts and ephemera, I used dots like this to keep my little poly envelopes closed. So yeah, that's why I bought some more to replenish my stash, because I really depleted that stash when I did that project. Not a crafty item, but it's in the bag, so okay. So cat litter deodorizer, woohoo! I really like this one, and so does Snowball. So it's $2. She tolerates this one better than the powder one. She doesn't like the powder one that much, so I don't know. Whatever. I like this one better too. So yeah, we're both happy. A DIY thing that I think is pretty neat. The price. Okay, I'm gonna guess that this was about $3 or $3.50. These are a set of drywall anchor screws with the anchors, and I just thought that's really practical to have the anchors with the screws in one set. That's often a situation I find myself in. I want to hang something, I have the screw, but then I have to go in the garage to find the big jar that we have of the anchor thingies, and then finding the right one, yada yada yada. But when I was looking at the instructions at the back, I think I'm gonna like trying these ones, because it seems that they're like a spike, and you can hammer the spike into the wall first, which you should be able to do with all anchors, all these caps that we get, but some I find they split on me. But I'm looking forward to trying these to see if they work. Don't hold your breath, because I have no projects currently in mind for this, but next time I will need to have something screwed into a wall, I will be happy to try these. So they say that each screw supports up to 50 pounds, which is a good weight. And yeah, I don't know how many there are in here. Does it say how many there are in here of these sets? Easy anchor. No, it doesn't say how many. Oh, it does. There's 10. So there's 10 in here. I believe this was $3.50. So that would be like 35 cents a set, basically. Next item I have to share with you is Christmas, but this to me is a crafting item. For $2.50, they have these 9-foot long garlands. I know the intention behind this is for decorating smaller Christmas trees, which I could do. I may very well do that, but I also thought this was some very nice trim to use for any kind of craft making, and I chose this clear silver combination, and I also got a red one. Sorry about that. So, what else did I have to show you? So I picked up this red one thinking not only Christmas, but Valentine's, love, you know, other Canada Day, I don't know, other things to use red in. So I decided, yeah, I should pick this color out. There are lots of different colors. There's blue, there's green. I can't remember what else there was, but there were different colors. And I just thought it would be fun to have this to use. It's a really pretty garland. It's a great way to decorate a little Christmas tree, of course. Great way to decorate anything. You could use this not just for a Christmas tree, but there's a lot of things you can do with this. But my intention was to have it as trim for crafting and to decorate a small Christmas tree. But I'm getting more ideas now of how this could be used. Excuse me. The next crafty item I have to share with you is some colored wire. Decorative wire. They have it on a stick like this. You get 50 meters for $1.25 of this decorative wire. It does not say what the gauge is, I believe. No, it does not say the gauge, but it's very, very thin, very flimsy wire, great for making like little embellishments and maybe tying some things. So it's available in a regular metal, silver color, and this nice blue tealish color, black, it's quite heavy actually, black, green, and red. I have tons of wire already. It's not that I really needed to buy more, but I thought the gauge is really thin. And looking at this, I thought this would be a great wire to use in making some embellishments in, I can't remember the name of the tool right now, but it's a Me and My Big Ideas board that I have, and you wrap, there's little pegs and you can wrap wire around it and make different shapes. Sorry, I can't remember the name of the tool. But I thought, oh, this looks like it would be perfect for that. So that's why I picked it up. Well, next and last things I have to share with you are Googly Eyes. 75 Googly Eyes. 75, that's an odd number. So, but if there's a one-eyed monster, I guess. If you have, you can make 75 one-eyed monsters. Okay, so there's this set, and this is for the Halloween decorating, I guess. And they had these funky colors. Woo, woo, woo. I just said they were really fun. I don't have anything like this. I have white and black, you know, regular googly eyes. So I was like, oh, I'll pick these up. They look like fun. And then there's these ones, and if you look closely enough, there's like shading around the eye and the irises, the different colored irises. Ooh. So I thought, oh, these look like fun too. So I got a couple packs of those to add to my googly eye collection in case I want to use googly eyes. And they're so inexpensive. You get all this for $1.50. Can't really go wrong. Great for crafting with kids. I mean, you could stick Google Eyes on anything to give it personality. I mean, stick a couple of Google Eyes on a rock, and you got a pet rock. There you go. Easy peasy crafting with Anne. So, I hope I gave you something to feast your eyes on and maybe give you some, you know, crafting ideas. I hope you liked this video, and yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Please like, comment, share, and don't forget, until next time, stay crafty. Bye!